Have you ever felt like the world is racing by, leaving you breathless and overwhelmed? In this video, we'll take a moment to pause, very deliberately, slowing down the chaos around us. Together, we'll explore ways to rediscover a profound sense of calm and clarity, even when life seems to swirl in a whirlwind of demands and distractions. By learning simple yet effective techniques to ease your stress and fully embrace the present moment, you'll discover that there is always a space for tranquility in your day. Join me in this journey towards calm and serenity. And if you find value in this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more rejuvenating experiences. Welcome to this moment of calm and reflection. Let's take a step back from the rush of everyday life, gather our thoughts, and ground ourselves in the present. Inhale deeply, allowing your lungs to expand fully as you draw in a sense of strength and resilience. Feel the warmth of this energy coursing through you, filling every corner of your being. Now exhale slowly, letting go of the worries and doubts that have weighed you down. Picture them drifting away like leaves on a gentle breeze. With each breath, cultivate the beautiful understanding that courage and calm can flourish side by side within you. Embrace this harmony as it grows and settles in your heart and mind. Sometimes the most effective way to progress in life is to embrace the art of slowing down. When we grant ourselves the gift of a pause, we create a serene space for clarity and renewal to emerge. Within this stillness, we can hear our own thoughts more clearly and reflect on our true desires. Real inner peace often blossoms from the acceptance of the world in its raw, unfiltered form, letting go of our habitual clinging to an idealized version of how we believe things should be. Every new day unfolds like a blank canvas, inviting us to paint our experiences anew. It's tempting to let the shadows of the past seep into our present, clouding our joy. However, by softly and consciously setting aside the burdens of previous days, we create space to embrace today's possibilities, allowing our hearts to feel lighter and more open to the beauty around us. Life often presents us with powerful waves of change and unexpected moments of uncertainty. Though we cannot halt their advance, we can learn to navigate their undulating currents by cultivating our ability to adapt and nurturing our inner sense of trust. We can find a sense of equilibrium amidst the turbulence, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth and resilience. True serenity is not about escaping the storms that life throws your way. It's about anchoring yourself amidst the whirlwinds of chaos that flood your surroundings. It's the delicate art of finding your inner peace, a calm center that remains undisturbed by the tumultuous waves of difficulty. While fixating on your problems might keep you occupied, it ultimately leads you in circles, preventing you from discovering fresh paths and new horizons. In the most chaotic and busiest moments, when it seems as though time has slipped through your fingers, taking a step back to pause and recharge becomes essential. Allowing yourself the grace to unwind not only rejuvenates your spirit, but also sharpens your focus, illuminating the path ahead with renewed clarity and purpose. There's a profound elegance in embracing a life rooted in simplicity. When we take the time to clear away the distractions and excess, both from our minds and our surroundings, we unearth a spaciousness that invites growth, cultivates gratitude, and allows us to focus on the relationships and passions that truly enrich our lives. Now let's pause for a moment and release the weight of your stress. Focus your attention on the gentle rhythm of your breath, the steady beat of your heart, and the present second that unfolds before you. Embrace these small yet profound acts of tranquility. They can create a ripple of positivity that transforms your entire day. As we reach the end of today's journey, let's take these reflections and transform them into actionable steps that can help cultivate a deeper sense of peace in your daily life. First, take a moment to pause and take a deep breath. In this moment, I invite you to consciously choose to release one thing that no longer serves you, be it a negative thought, a toxic relationship, or an unproductive habit. Acknowledge the power you have to let go and create space for new possibilities. Next, when fear inevitably arises, remember to breathe into your innate courage. Understand that this courage is already within you, waiting patiently to be awakened. By embracing this courage, you can face challenges with a renewed sense of strength and determination. This week, carve out a dedicated period for genuine rest, even if it's just for 30 minutes. This small act of self-care can be transformative, allowing your mind and body to recharge. Trust that your productivity will indeed benefit from this intentional pause. When life throws you curveballs that clash with your expectations, take a moment to pause before reacting. Ask yourself the profound question, can I accept this moment as it is? This simple inquiry can shift your perspective, allowing you to approach situations with more grace and understanding. Be mindful of the tendency to let yesterday's worries invade today's peace. Practice catching yourself when this happens and gently guide your focus back to the present moment. Grounding yourself in the here and now can restore your sense of calm and clarity. As you navigate through life's inevitable waves of overwhelm, remind yourself that you have the ability to learn to surf them rather than resist. Embrace your circumstances as they are, acknowledging that some elements are beyond your control. This acceptance opens the door to adaptability and resilience. Find your center amidst life's storms. Consider creating a daily ritual, be it meditation, journaling, or a simple walk in nature, that consistently connects you to your inner lighthouse. Let this ritual serve as a touchstone, guiding you back to a place of stability and inner peace. Notice when you find yourself in the figurative rocking chair of worry. Instead of succumbing to inaction, stand up and take one small, purposeful action toward what matters to you. This shift from thought to action can break the cycle of worry and instill a sense of agency. Finally, when you feel you have absolutely no time to rest, recognize this feeling as a clear signal that rest is precisely what you need most. Pause, breathe deeply, and give yourself permission to reset. Remember, finding the path to peace is not a complicated endeavor. It's fundamentally about clearing away the clutter that obscures the simplicity that has always existed within and around you. Your journey toward inner peace begins with a single choice, a single breath, and a single moment of presence. And that transformative moment can begin right now. Thank you for sharing these few peaceful moments. Carry this sense of balance with you wherever you go. You deserve calm, you deserve clarity, and you have every right to shine.